Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by threading 18 to 24 inches of thread and securing it with a simple overhand knot at the end. This gives control without bulk. Once threaded, push the needle from the wrong side and take a small backstitch to anchor the thread. Make sure to leave a 1/2-inch tail on the inside. This tail will be used to form the final knot. If the fabric is slippery, tack a few tiny stitches first. This prevents the starting knot from pulling through. Once you reach the end of the seam, pull the thread until a small loop sits near the needle. This is your knot base. You then wrap the free tail 2 to 3 times around the needle or your thumb, more wraps for thicker thread. Push the needle through the loop and pull slowly to tighten so the wraps coil into a neat knot. This compresses against the fabric. Make sure to angle the pull toward the fabric so the knot seats flat and doesn't ride on the surface. To finish, pass the needle through a couple of adjacent stitches inside the seam to bury the tail. This reduces tension on the knot. Once hidden, trim the thread close to the knot. Leave about 1 to 2 millimeters on delicate fabrics so it won't unravel. If the knot slips or looks bulky, make another knot with an extra wrap or lightly apply a tiny dot of fabric glue under the knot. If glue is used, let it dry before stressing the seam.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.